Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratiksha Agarwal and this is part 5 of seating arrangement. Students, the question in each part of seating arrangement is of different types, so stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. So this is the reference question, students. As I've told you earlier in my previous video, first we are going to solve this. So let's solve it. A certain number of persons are sitting in a row facing to the north. So we don't know the number of people who are sitting in a row facing north. There is one person sits between N and M, and one of them sit at the extreme end of the row. So either M or N sit at the extreme end of the row, and that N can be either left end or right end. So let's consider the cases. So case number one, let's consider N is sitting to the extreme left end, one person between N and M. In the second case, M is sitting to the extreme left and one person between M and N. In the third case, M is sitting to the extreme right end and one person between M and N. And in the fourth case, N is sitting to the extreme right end, one person between M and N. Let's see what is given next. There are three persons sit between N and C. So in case number one, to the right of C, already two people are here. So we'll place one more people and then C. Case number two, we'll place three person and then C, because between N and C there are three people. Case number 3 also, we are going to place 3 people and then C. In case number 4, C to the left of N, already 2 people are here. So we'll place one more people and then C. I hope this much is clear to everyone. L sits second to the left of C. So in case number 1, second to the left of C, M has already occupied that position, so we cannot place L here. So our case number 1 is wrong. Case number 2, we'll place L here because L is second to the left of C and they all are facing the north direction. In third case, second to the left of C means this place, so we are going to place L here. And in fourth case, second to the left of C means this place, so we are going to place L here. There are six persons sit between C and B who sits third from one of the end. So B sits third from one of the end. So first we are going to place six people between C and B. C in case number 2, to the left of C already there are six people, so we cannot place B there, so we are going to place B to the right of C. Okay, so six person and then B to the right of C in case number 2. In case number 3, again to the right of C, you can see there are 6 people already here. So we cannot place B here to the right of C. So we'll place B to the left of C in case number 3. Already 2 people are here. So we are going to place 4 more people and then B. And in case number 4, also B will be placed to the left of C. See, to the left of C, already 2 people are here. So we will place 4 more people and then B. Now it is also given that B sits third from one of the end, means here in case number 2, after B there will be only 2 people because B is third from one of the end. In case number 3, before B or to the left of B there will be 2 people, and similar thing will be there in case number 4, that to the left of B there will be only 2 people because B is third from one of the end. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now B sits second to the left of R, who does not sit at an extreme end. Here who means R. R does not sit at any extreme end. So in case number 2, we have to place here R here at the extreme right end because B is second to the left of R. Yes, but R does not sit at the extreme end, means case number 2 is also wrong. Now in case number 3, we'll place R here at this position because B is second to the left of R. Okay, B is second to the left of R. And case number 4 also, we are going to place R here because B is second to the left of R. And as you can see here, in case number 3 and 4, R is not at any of the extreme end. Now let's see next. There are 4 persons sit between O and N. So students, we are not going to consider case number 1 and 2 here because they both are wrong. So we'll only focus on case number 3 and 4. So four persons are there between N and O. So let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So O will be placed here between L and C in case number 3. And in case number 4, again 4 people, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So O will be placed here between L and C in case number 4. Now it is given more than 3 persons sit between M and O. So between M and O, there are more than 3 people. So in case number 3, it is clear that more than 3 people are sitting between M and O. In case number 4, as you can see that there are only 2 people between M and O, means case number 4 is also wrong. So for the case number 1, case number 2, and case number 4 are wrong. Now we'll only focus on case number 3. The last statement is there are 2 persons sit between K and R. Okay, 2 people are there between K and R. See, in case number 3, to the right of R, uh, between R and L, there are 2 people. So we cannot place K to the right of L. So we will place K to the left of, so we cannot place K to the right of R. Sorry, not L, to the right of R. So we will place K to the left of R. So 1, 2. So K will be placed here to the left of R in case number 3. So between K and R, there are 2 people. I hope this much is clear to everyone, and our case number 3 is the correct linear arrangement. Students, if you have any doubt, you can comment me. I'll try to solve it. And this is the question which I've picked up from SBI. See, this was a very easy question, right, students? Now let's see the questions. So this is the first question. How many persons are sitting in a row? So let's count the number of people sitting in a row. So there are 16 people sitting in a row. So the answer for this should be option number E. Let's check. See, we got the correct answer, students. Let's move on to the next question. How many persons sit between R and C? Let me first highlight R and C for you, students. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 people sitting between R and C. So the answer for this should be option number B, 4. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer again. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the position of K with respect to B? So students, all these people are facing towards the north. So you can say that with respect to B, K is sitting to the immediate left of B. Yes, this is the left side when all people are facing north. So K is to the immediate left of B. So the answer for this question should be option number C, immediate to the left. Now let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer again. So students, I hope you like this video. You are able to understand the approach by which I'm solving these type of questions. Still, if you have any doubt, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Do support me. Bye bye. Thank you.